had a request for using things around the house to help with stretching. I'm going to show you two variations of the same stretch. One, you can pretty much do anywhere, and two, it might be helpful to have a wall nearby. Now this stretch has helped me with my back pain a lot. It's different for everybody. Your back pain issues might be different than mine. So number one, always check with your doctor first. Make sure this is something safe for you to do. And number two, never force, never ever go into pain. So first variation, you can do pretty much anywhere. In this case, my left hand traces my left leg, and all we do is tip sideways. So if I can, left ear, left shoulder, and I glide my left hand down. Go as far as you can comfortably, and just make a mental note of where you wind up, because that's how you're going to know if you're progressing. For example, if this is the first time you're doing the stretch and you only get your hand to your thigh, that's fine. That's where you are today. Over time, you might get your hand past your knee. Now, a way to kind of add a little spice to this stretch is to include your right shoulder. So, left hand, left thigh, left ear, left shoulder, and then bring your right shoulder up also. So now you're getting more of your right side as you stretch. And then come out of that easy. Just hold for 5 or so breaths. Now to use the wall, this is just a great way to measure the depth of your stretch, and this is a little more intense, so build up gradually. Get about an arm's distance away from your wall. Any wall is fine. So I'm placing my left hand, I'm about an arm's length away. So this time I'm going to bring my right hand up. So instead of just bringing my shoulder up, I bring my right hand up as well. Shoulder, right hand come up, left hand comes to the left hip, push, and I see if I can touch the wall. Almost there, there it is. So I'm touching the wall. If that's too easy, I bend my fingers and I see if I can get a different set of knuckles to the wall. Make a fist, see if I can get the fist to the wall. Not quite there this morning. Those are just little gauges to measure how I'm progressing in the stretch. It's not the goal, it's just a measure. So, give the stretch a try. Let me know which level you're at. Are you at level 1, shoulder down, or are you able to do a full over the ear stretch, touch the wall? Let me know how it goes. Make sure you switch sides. Thanks.